Good morning, class 10. Now look at this equation. 2 upon x minus 3y equal to 15 and 8 upon x plus 5 upon y is equal to 77. Now if you have been asked to solve these equations, these are not simultaneous equations. Reason is that 2 upon x can be written as 2 into 1 upon x. And 1 upon x is 2 into x raised to minus 1. If index is negative, it can't be a linear equation. Alright, though there are two variables, it can be linear equation in two variables. So our first job is to convert this equation into a linear equation. So if like this is there and if you have x and y variables in denominator, you should be going by this way. Let 1 upon x is equal to a and let 1 upon y is equal to b. So wherever there is 1 upon x, I will substitute a. So what I'll get this equation as? 2 upon x is 2 into 1 upon x. So for 1 upon x, I am going to write it as a. So I am going to get this equation as 2a minus 3b is equal to 15. I'll write this as 1 now. And for this, I will get 8a plus 5b is equal to 77. This equation is 2. Okay. So this is first equation and this is second equation. Now these are linear equations in two variables because index of a is 1, b is also 1 and you have two variables. Same is the case over there. Now let's try. Now to use elimination or substitution method, see that if the coefficients are same. Coefficients are not same, but you can equalize the coefficient by multiplying. So here is 8a and here is 2a. To make this 2a as 8a, we can multiply this equation by 4. So we are multiplying equation 1 by 4. So we have 4 in bracket 2a minus 3b is equal to 15. So now we have what? 8a, 4 2s are 8 minus 12b is equal to 15 4s are 60. This is your equation 3. Okay, now look at this equation and look at this equation. If we subtract this equation from this 8a will get cancelled because 8 and 8 is here having same sign. So we will write subtract. What subtraction we are going to do? 77 is big, 60 is small. So let's take 2 minus 3 we are going to do. Second equation minus third equation. What is second equation? You have 8a plus 5b is equal to 77 minus, you are going to subtract this equation third, that is 8a minus 12b is equal to 60. It is subtraction, so we are going to change the signs. 8 is plus will become minus, this is minus will become plus, this is plus, so this will become minus. Okay, 8 minus 8 will be 0. Now you have 5 plus 12. 5 plus 12 is how much? You have 17b is equal to 77 minus 60 is nothing but again 17. So what is b? 17b is equal to 17. Therefore b is 17 upon 17 which is equal to 1. So we got, I will not encircle, it is value. So we got value of b as 1. Now let's substitute value of b in either of equation 1 or 2. So this seems to be easy. So we'll substitute value of b as 1 in this equation. So you can pause the video in between and write down the steps. I am erasing it. I got b equal to 1. Okay, that much I know. Now let me quickly substitute this. Substituting b equal to 1 in equation 1. Okay, so this is 2a minus 3b is equal to 15. I am substituting for b. Minus 3 into 1 is equal to 15. So I have 2a minus 3 is equal to 15. So I have 2a is equal to, this will be 15 plus 3. So 2a is equal to 18. So a will be equal to 18 upon 2 which is equal to 9. So I got value of b and value of a. Okay. Now see what I am doing. But I don't want a and b. I want what? X and y. So what is a? I got now A is equal to 9 I got and B is equal to 1 I got. But what is A? A is equal to 1 upon x. So 9 is equal to 1 upon x. So what will be x? X will be equal to 1 upon 9. Similarly, what is B? 1 upon y is equal to B. So I have 1 upon y is equal to 1. So what will be y? 1 upon 1 will be equal to y, and therefore y will be equal to 1. So what is your answer? 1 upon 9 and 1. So this is the solution of the equation. Okay, this is second problem from your textbook. Now see, instead of x you have x plus y. So now let us suppose, let 1 upon x plus y is equal to A and 1 upon x minus y is equal to B. So what are you going to get? 10A plus 2B is equal to 4. This will be your first equation. And second equation, what you will get? 15A minus 5B is equal to minus 2. This will be your second equation. Again, let us multiply these equations so as to equalize the coordinates. Now here, multiply this equation 2b and this can't be done. So we have to multiply it in this way. Multiply this equation by 5. First equation. So you have 10a plus 2b is equal to 4. And you multiply this equation by 2. And we have 15a minus 5b is equal to minus 2. Now let us multiply what we get. This I am writing it over here. 50a plus 10b is equal to 20. And this I get 30a minus 10b is equal to minus 20. Okay. Yeah, I think this is wrong. 2 into 2 becomes 4. By mistake I have written this same number. So 2 2's are minus 4. Okay. So this becomes 30, this becomes 10 and this becomes 50. 50a plus 10b is equal to 20. This is correct. Here I am wrong. 15 2's are 30, 2 5's are 10 and 2 2's are minus 4. Okay, now we are right. Now see, this is equation 3 we can say, and this is equation 4. Alright. Now we are going to add this 2. After adding, this 2 will be cancelled. Okay. So adding these two equations, what we get? We get here 80a, this will become 0, is equal to minus plus 16. Alright. So a will be equal to 16 upon 80. Okay. So this is nothing but we have 1 upon 5. So this is the value of your a. 16 ones are and 16 5s are. So we got a is equal to 1 upon 5. Let us substitute value of a in one of this equation to get b. So we'll choose the smaller equation over here. We'll use this equation or first equation itself. A is 1 upon 5. Remember that. So a is 1 upon 5. So let us do it quickly. So 10 into 1 upon 5 plus 2b is equal to 4. So here we get 2 plus 2b is equal to 4. So 2b is equal to 4 minus 2. 2b is equal to 2 and therefore we got b is equal to 1. Now see students, here there is one more, one step ahead you have to go. You have a as 1 upon 5 and b equal to 1. Keep this in mind and now substitute. So what do we have? What is a? 1 upon 5. So 1 upon 5 because a is 1 upon x plus y. And what is b? We got 1. So 1 upon x minus y is equal to 1. Now cross multiply. So what you will get? X plus y is equal to 5. And cross multiply this, what you will have? X minus y is equal to 1 you will get. Okay, now add these two equations. So let us add these two. We get x plus y is equal to 5 plus x minus y is equal to 1. So y will get cancelled. You have 2x is equal to 6 and you will get x is equal to 3. Okay. Now if x is equal to 3, substitute over here, what you will get? X plus y is equal to 5. X is 3. So 3 plus y is equal to 5 and therefore y is equal to 5 minus 3, which is equal to 2. So you got x is equal to 3 and you got y is equal to 2. So that is the final solution. So let us write in the form of brackets. So answer is, first you will write x coordinate. So what is x coordinate? 3. And what is y coordinate? 2. So this is your answer. So whenever equations are not in linear form, first you convert them into linear form and then solve accordingly. As per the requirement, you multiply the equations and then add or subtract, or you can follow Cramer's rule or that is determinant method and solve the equation. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.